So here, what I'm doing is all you have to do as a user, you just come up here. There's this section called Creator Hub. That's everything creators. It's where you have to get permission to get access to this, but I won't go into all that. All I'm going to do is click on the Creator Hub where it's where I am now. I can actually see my stats, my rankings, all this cool stuff. What I'm going to do on the left-hand side is go to NFTBucks. So I'm going to click here. And in here, I can have a dashboard that kind of gives me step-by-step instructions, but I can create a collection, create an NFT buck, and create a bundle. All right, so I can also see the bucks I already created, which I already created some earlier as I was testing on here. So these are the bucks that I've already created. I can edit them. I created a couple collections. So for example, if I go to view founders collection, I can actually see the common bucks that are in here. I could edit them. I could even buy them now that they're alive. But we're going to go ahead and make a mutant ape buck just for something kind of fun today. All right, so all we would do is go to create bucks. There's 3 steps. You have to have a collection to put it in, which is like a folder. And then once you have the folder, you can put any kind of bucks, designs, whatever you want in there, okay? So let's just create a new collection for, mutant ape collection V1 standard. Let's upload this image. New ape beta collection. All right, create the collection. There we go. So we should be in here. There's the collection. Okay, let's go and create a new buck. Mutant ape beta buck. It's even a better name. Okay, $1. Let's make it rare, just in case if that's a, let's make the supply for this one. We'll set it to 5. How's that? And there we go. Let's put it in the collection. Let's upload a design. Okay. And here you can see the design. Now, if I wanted to add the design style, I can click on any one of these and it'll add the denomination automatically. It'll add the information, the seals. I could do a dark version. There's actually a really cool one here, like a purple version, right? I don't know which one is best. That one's kind of cool. That one's cool, kind of cuts his head off though. I think this one's probably the best. So we'll go with this one. So it shows 1 NFTB. We can come in here. Boom, it looks great. Save and continue. All right, so this is a limited edition ape buck. Okay, now down here you can see market price. This is really important. So it's defaults to 1, meaning there's $1. It's a 1 denomination. Now, because this is a rare buck, I could sell this for more than $1. So if I say, hey, this is collectible, you know, it sells for $10, $100, whatever I want. For demo purposes, let's just keep it at $1, so it costs less. But you can set the market price, which is really cool. Remember, as a creator, you keep that difference. 75% of that markup is yours. So that's your margin. All right, so let's just keep it the same. We can go in here, save and continue, create this buck. It says the details are final. You can't change it after you mint this. That's fine. There we go. So, all right, we'll go back to pending approval. So I can come back here. Here's the bucks that I actually minted on the test net, but you can see here, this one says approval pending. If I were to deny that or reject that, they'd get this red overlay that would say like rejected for, you know, we have different terms. So for example, if the image is offensive or something, then we can have that. If it doesn't meet our guidelines and doesn't have the seals on there, if it doesn't have the right denomination, if it doesn't match the price, those types of things. So we can certainly, you know, approve and deny that, but let me go in here and approve this real quick in our admin. Okay, so this is a view into the headquarters, the back end, which we've never shown. Probably shouldn't show it, but I'm going to show it anyway. All right, so I can go back into to NFT bucks, and there's that ape buck. Right, pending approval. I can take a look at the details, look at the image, make sure everything matches correctly. Boom. Let's just approve this. Yes, I want to approve it. Okay, it is officially minted. Like this is on the test net now. So I can come here, refresh my page. Okay, now you notice that pending approval is gone. It is here. There it is. It's active. I could go to the NFTBucks marketplace and I can come down here and there it is. Okay, so there's the buck. Now, let's go ahead and buy this real quick. So I'm going to switch my network because I'm on testnet demoing this for you. So I'm going to switch to my test network to be able to do this. So it uses fake money. We're going to go ahead and buy it so I can show you. So we're going to add it to cart. We'll come over here. Looks like I had one in my cart. Let's get rid of it. Okay, so here we are. We have the buck. I will, oops, let me move my screen up. So there's the buck. Now, this is the checkout for this. Now, when we go live, you'll be able to use a credit card. They'll have a credit card option. Otherwise, right now, it's just using USDC. If you have that in your wallet, Matic, it shows your balance. Okay, and so I'm just going to go ahead and complete transaction. Again, we hope that nothing blows up. Looks good. There's like a 0.002 gas fee. It's like nothing. So here we go. It's confirming the request. It's putting in the order, sending it to all the minions, and they're doing all their thing, the magic stuff in the background. And in a second, I will officially have this verified on the blockchain. There we go. Congrats. You got bucks to spend. There we go. We can watch a video about this. It gives us some instructions, but let's go check out my bucks collection. Okay. So sometimes it takes it a minute. But let's go down here. Oh, there it is, rare bucks. So these are my common bucks that I bought. So just for reference, I'm in Stake Hub now. Before I was, as a creator, I was in Creator Hub. This is where you mint things, but as Stake Hub is where a user goes to manage their portfolio, right? When you buy NFTs, this is where you go to see them. So I go here to my bucks, and you can see here are my bucks, and here's this rare buck. Okay. So now that I have this, I can go and spend it. So remember in the beginning, I showed you how I was going to buy an NFT and I would just check my bucks and spend them. Now that I have them, I could actually go and do that, right? Because I actually own these. I don't know if we have any. I can show you just real quick. I don't know if we have any demo in here, but don't think it's here, but let's just try it just for kicks, guys. All right, so there is a buck. So here's one of the bucks that I have in my wallet. You can choose what collection that you want to, look at. So the first thing, select denomination. This is just one. It'll show all my ones. So this is the most current one that I bought. So I click one now. It'll show all the different, common, rare, whatever. Okay. So let's just, where's the $1? We can't buy it because it's not loaded, but basically you can scroll through here and you can see all your different bucks. And if I want to spend this, I click on it, it adds it over here. And now you notice this button is green. If I get rid of it, the button's red, right? I can't buy an NFT without spending some money. So let's spend some money. We add a buck, boom, that turns green. Congratulations. We go through here. We're like, yes, I want to buy this, agree, complete purchase. Boom, I just bought NFTs. All right. That's all that happens. Pretty cool stuff, right?